Marvin Lewis?
Yes?
I'm here to serve you with this eviction notice. It's time to go.
No, please. I just need a couple more days to get the money.
Well, maybe if you weren't given free haircuts, you'd have the money now. Your time's up.
I can't lose my shot. I've been here for 20 years. Please, sir. Don't do this to me.
I'm sorry, but there's nothing I can do. The place just sold anyways, and the new owner should be here any minute. You gotta go.
Oh, it's okay. He doesn't have to leave.
I'm sorry, who are you?
Oh, I'm Calvin. I'm the new owner. I can handle it from here. You don't have to leave.
This man hasn't paid his rent. Oh, fine. I guess that's your problem now.
Thank you so much, sir. I promise. I'll have the money for rent soon.
No, you do not have to worry about that. From now on, your rent is free of charge.
What? I don't understand. Why would you do that for me?
Because of what you did for me 20 years ago. You see,
I'm sorry, but this is a private office. We don't allow...
I'm actually here for the assistant position. You know, to apply for a job.
Oh, let me talk to my boss. Would you mind waiting out here?
Sure.
Is that the guy?
Yeah.
No.
Hey, I have an interview scheduled. Hey!
let's just say it wasn't exactly easy for me to get a job looking like that.
Hi, I'm Calvin. I'm applying for the...
When was the last time you showered?
It's been a couple weeks, sir.
Why is it that you're here exactly?
To apply for the assistant position. But I'll take any opportunity that you have.
You want to get into real estate. What could you possibly know about this field?
Not much right now, but I'm willing to learn, and I've always been interested in it.
Oh, how ironic is that? A homeless guy getting into real estate. That's great. Just keeps getting better and better.
Look, I know I don't look like much. My house burned down in a fire. I lost everything. My car, my clothes, even my family. And to make matters even worse, I lost my job, too. So please, if you just give me a chance, I promise I will be the hardest worker you've ever hired.
All right. seem like you have a lot of heart. I don't know if you're telling me the truth or not, but I'll tell you what. It's $20. So you want to learn about real estate, right?
Yeah.
Lesson number 1, resourcefulness. I want you to get cleaned up. The new outfit, too. With that. And if you can do it by, let's say, today, I will give you a job. Sound good?
But sir, a haircut alone would cost $20.
Well, you better be resourceful then. I wish you luck.
Are you open? Hello?
Have a seat.
Thanks. Listen, before you get started, I just want you to know that, I don't really have... I don't have much...
How do you want your cut?
Honestly, anything would be better than this. But I don't have much money.
What's your name?
Calvin.
I'm not worried about your money, Kelvin. What do you think?
To be honest, I almost forgot what I look like. Thank you. Thank you so much. Here. This is all I have.
No, don't worry about it. I think you need it more than I do.
What? Really? I can't tell you how much I appreciate this. I actually have a job interview today.
My interview? Give me a second. There's a sink in the back. It's not much, but it'll help. Afterwards, put this on.
Oh my God. Thank you. But please take this. I have to give you something.
No, you don't. Just remember, one day, when you're able to, just pay it forward.
I will. I definitely will.
Bathroom's in the back.
From then on, my life just started getting better. I ended up getting the job as an assistant. Before long, I was learning all about real estate. Eventually, I moved on up to becoming a realtor. It didn't take me long to start closing lots of real estate deals. Over time, I even became an investor and started buying my own properties, including this one right here. So, you see, 20 years ago, you gave me a free haircut. And I'll never forget what you said. You said, the kindness that you put into the world will always come back to you. So, this is your kindness coming back to you.
Oh my God. I can't believe it. I don't know how I can ever repay you.
You don't have to pay me. Just never stop paying it forward.